Also breaking, a federal grand jury has come down with a new indictment against a Western New York pain doctor who's accused of illegally prescribing drugs. The new charges come in connection with the deaths of 6 patients. News 4's Katie Alexander has the latest from downtown Buffalo.
As Western New York battles a growing opioid epidemic, the acting U.S. attorney calls the prosecution of Dr. Eugene Gosy, quote, turning off the spigot. He says at the time the investigation started, Dr. Gosy was prescribing more controlled substances than any other local provider, including hospitals. That originally led to a 114-count indictment against Dr. Gosy back in April of last year, when he was charged with unlawfully distributing and dispensing controlled substances not for legitimate medical purposes. Now, a federal grand jury has added charges for conspiracy to distribute and dispense, resulting in the death of 6 of his patients. Federal officials say Gosy ignored obvious red flags that his patients were addicted to their medications and abusing them, even increasing the dosages for some. Prosecutors say, but for the substances Dr. Gosy is accused of illegally prescribing, those patients would not have died.
We need to stop the abuse of prescription drugs. And one way to do that is to stop those doctors who prescribe these killer drugs outside the usual course of the medical practice and not for a legitimate medical purpose.
If he's convicted of the new charges in connection to the patient deaths, Gosy is looking at 20 years to life in prison. Dr. Gosy will soon be arraigned on the new charges. In the meantime, he remains free on bail and continues to see patients at his Amherst practice under the supervision of another doctor. Reporting in Buffalo, Katie Alexander, News 4.
All right, Katie, thank you. Dr. Gosy's attorney released a statement saying, quote, Dr. Gosy has helped tens of thousands of patients suffering from debilitating painful illnesses and injuries. All medical care has risks, especially when a patient does not follow physician instructions. Every patient death is a tragedy. Thankfully, due to the safeguards Dr. Gosy's office has in place, his rate of patient overdose death is far below the national average. We'll continue to follow this case. Stay with News 4 on air and online at WIVB.com.